Welcome back to Global Weapon Update. Today, we're diving into one of the most elite precision rifles in the world, the Accuracy International AXMC. This is a rifle built for professionals, for those who need absolute reliability, modularity, and long-range accuracy under the toughest conditions. The AXMC, short for Arctic Warfare Magnum Multi-Caliber, is the evolution of decades of military sniper rifle development. What makes it stand out is its multi-caliber capability. This beast can be configured to shoot .333 Lapua Magnum, .300 Winchester Magnum, or even 7.62 NATO by simply changing the barrel, bolt, and magazine. It's a game-changer for snipers who need adaptability on the field. Now let's talk performance. In .338 Lapua Magnum, this rifle can deliver sub-MOA accuracy beyond 1,500 meters. The cold hammer-forged barrel is designed for precision and durability, and the fully adjustable two-stage trigger gives shooters complete control. Combine that with a rock-solid chassis system, and you've got a rifle that's as accurate as it is tough. The AXMC also features a folding stock for compact transport, a full-length top rail with plenty of room for optics and night vision devices, and side and bottom rails for additional accessories. Everything about this rifle screams professional-grade engineering. Used by elite military and law enforcement units around the world, the AXMC is trusted in the most hostile environments, from desert heat to Arctic cold. Whether it's for counter-terror operations or long-range target interdiction, this rifle does not miss. That wraps up today's look at the Accuracy International AXMC. If you're into cutting-edge precision firearms, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Global Weapon Update, and let us know in the comments what weapon you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and stay sharp.